na iyo na gusikabusyo ekero eke kyoguchingira emiga Yesu guku neyo kwarigania omwaka omuya nige kiombe kemo kige Kristo ekyo kegokonya abana bamenyete ase emechi kemenyekanete buna Kingdom Child Organization kebere kegwesokya na kubolia abantu bomoyo bugwancha naboigo serikali ye county ya Kisii kubakonya korosia enka y'abana abo baonchirire chimbwa barabe elinde tibairanira obugima bwabo obukoro okwana ekero ky'omurubiryo bukubasegeta abana abo ase kanisa ya Kisii Town PAG oyo mobwa babwatani bekyombekyo nigo ayanikire buna abange babana abo nigo bagwetera amakomo amange ekero barure chiskuru naboigo ebituo gose bitaseni byogonchereria chimbwa ase kelia tibabwati ase bakoroka enka na igo kogendera no busalia na gutumikwa ebinyugo byogotindia nigo bono baruro kubolia gocha ase serikali ye county ya Kisii elinda ko eneke buna nkobagachira bale ase barabe bakomenya buna gutumanya umurikito Pethuel Machene
Chinga kichi chugo chingire mega Yesu guku no kuyarigani mwako muya nige kyombekemo gige Kristo ekyukego konya abana bamenyeta ase mechigo se chichokora Yesu kirina kuburia abantu bomoyo bugwancha na wige serikali ye county ya Kisii kubakonya korosi nka abana bo baonchorire mbwa barabe rinde tibayirira buguma bwabo bubukoro
ebe mamubiro bakonyonete kero alega no cyagitari
ukwana ekero ky'omurobiri bwo kubasigeta abana bo ase kanisa ya Kisii PH oyambo botani bekyombekyo kemanyaganitse buna Kingdom Child Organization nigene kire buna abange babana bo nigo bagwetera makongwa ao ekero bare chiskuru nabo igo bitubyo gonchira chimbwa asikirete babo atase bakoroka enka nigo kogendera no bosadia no gutumika ebinyugo byo gotindia
wanaenda shule like seriously wengi wanaenda shule lakini wakifunga shule wanaenda wapi? Wakifunga shule, yes, a lot of them are outside there. Hatujakuwa na wao. Lakini they tell me, madam, nyinyi mnasaidia. Lakini si mtusaidie mahali pa kukaa tu, at least niende shule nikirudi kukaa hapa. When these kids don't have a premise, let me say, I take them through mentorship. Yes? Then they go outside there. Do you know these kids will go back to drugs? Do you know these kids will go back to stealing? Do you know these kids, they'll always get themselves in different situations outside there?
Kurengana no murande bwe kanisa yo Francis Osero nigane kire mu rubero yo ogokorekana kero mwaka geso chago we kyombekyo mwaka we 2012 no kubakonya abana abo enchira yo komenya kuya asaba na wetana chimisano bakonyora amagiro nendagera.
Namba ya watoto ambao tunawashughulikia ni zaidi ya watoto 500. Hao ndio tunawashughulikia, lakini baadhi ya wale ambao tunawashughulikia ni wachache ambao wanaenda shule. Remember, this is a program that also as a church we are doing it, but also we depend on support kutoka nje. Kuna wafadhili ambao wamehusika, wengine wanatuma pesa yao kidogo, hiyo ndio tunaweka pamoja, washirika wanajitoa vitu kidogo kidogo, sometimes asitoshi. So we are happy. The number is ni kidogo kwa sababu ya resources, but we are really trying, and as God makes our way, we will do more.
Niko wigo yombo botini bekyombekyo abori mugabana bwe county ya Kisii Mosque Simba Rati kubakonya korosi nkaba nabali bale chiskuru bakobera ekero basikire bale rusa.
We urge the county government, if they are able to. Right now we have got students who go to school, boarding school. When they come home, you know, they still go back the street until the reopening of school so that they can join back again to school. If the county government of Kisii, our governor, Simba Rati, could hear this, please make an arrangement, give us a house where you can host these students who are studying and who are in school.
Obed Chweya no yomwabalia bakabira somo cy'ubusungu bunechokora uyo rero ningiye kogera abana banke benyora kumenye mechie
wengi wanyoka hapa hivi ni orphans ama single mother children, because orphans wakati wazazi wamekufa mnaachwa hapo, mnaachwa maybe na maanko na mashosho. Nobody is ready to take care of you, nobody is ready to take you to school, nobody is ready even to cater even for your basic need like a meal. So unapata amaona tu acha nitoke hapa hivi niende town, maybe nianze kubeba mzigo ama nianze kufanya 1 2 3 things ili nione ka maisha yangu itazidi kusonga, naingia kwa madawa za kulevya hivyo, na hivyo ndio maisha inaisha. So until you land yourself in the right hands, upate kama kina pastor wanakomenta wanakuambia wacha gulu kunywa maziwa.
Okobori wanokomo gutia serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii n'abantu bo mu bugwancha kwarosiria saba nabo bakobera irigonchuria embwa kiagera nabo baraiba ankyo.
I'm just requesting maybe the government, the county government, please help us with a place where we can always have these kids so that at least they can be reformed, at least somebody can always be with them, they be nurtured, you know, so that any future generation, any viongozi wa kesho.
Kuripotiria Ensoko TV, Kromo Chubu Sungo, Jempethuel, Machin.